Back today with another video, of course, and today we're going to be talking about a study. Now, if you're signed up for it, the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine actually sends out emails occasionally with different studies and so forth. And I figured I'd just start sharing these. I'm not being paid by these guys. In fact, I pay them. Actually, I donate to them. So don't think of it as me promoting them because they're paying me or something like that. It's not the case. They just do good things, so I promote them. Alright, so today's video is on ketogenic diets, something that's big nowadays. A lot of people are trying it, a lot of people are losing weight, okay? But how is it on your performance exercise-wise? Let's take a look at the study. So, ketogenic diets reduce performance in anaerobic exercise when compared to high-carbohydrate diets. According to a study published in the Journal of Sports Medicine and Physical Fitness, researchers tracked performance for 16 participants who consumed either a ketogenic diet or a high carbohydrate diet for 4 days. Those who consumed the ketogenic diet lowered their average and peak performance power levels and ran shorter distances as well compared with those who ate a high carbohydrate diet. These data suggest that low carbohydrate diets impair intense short-term physical activities. So let's talk about that. So intense physical activities, meaning when you're going anaerobic, you know, you're laying it all out there, you're hauling balls basically at that point, right? That takes sugar, that takes glycogen. So anybody who's on a ketogenic diet who's not consuming sugar or any type of products like that would not have the same ability to be explosive or to just go fast for a long amount of time. It's just not going to work. They don't have the glycogen to do it. I know there's some people that say, oh, well, you're a fucking idiot, you vegan piece of shit, now you can run a fucking 5K and blah, blah, blah. Well, that's fine, but most people who are on these ketogenic diets that end up going to races and running them, they eat carbohydrates or they drink carbohydrates. So they're not running in ketosis, they're not running marathons in ketosis, and if they are, they're running really fucking slow. In fact, all the people that I know who are on these ketogenic diets, none of them can run as fast as me. Not even close. So if you want to be fast, you don't want to necessarily be low carb. You need the carbohydrates, you need the glycogen, you need the sugar for your cells in order to power that physical activity when you're doing it at a high level like that, you know. What are your thoughts on the subject here? Ketogenic diets, big deal, a lot of people losing weight, but do they actually work long term? Is this a diet that you can have, that you can keep doing for the rest of your life? No, it's not. Alright guys, that's my thoughts on it. If you want to post your thoughts and opinions, post it down below in the comments. Hit the like button if you like it, give it a thumbs down if you don't. The subscribe button. Share it guys. Until next time, take care. Anaerobic exercise when compared to high carbohydrate. Researchers tracked performance for 16 participants who consumed either a ketogenic diet or a compared with those who ate a high carbohydrate diet. These data suggest low carb